Most buildings are designed for construction. Very few are designed for maintenance. The top 1% of brilliant buyers are not just asking, how many bedrooms? Is there a swimming pool? What are the finishes like? They are also asking about the systems that were incorporated into the building's design for easy maintenance. Brilliant buyers know that the real cost of a house often begins after construction. You see, every building will eventually need maintenance. Drainage systems will need cleaning. Electrical systems will need upgrade, pipes may need servicing, water tanks will require inspection. The question is not whether maintenance will happen. The real question is, was the building designed for maintenance? Unfortunately, many buildings are designed to be completed for immediate profits. Only very few are designed with maintenance in mind. And this is where many homeowners begin to experience problems years later. A simple plumbing repair suddenly requires breaking walls. A leaking pipe means demolition. Electrical upgrades becomes difficult. A roof tank inspection becomes dangerous because it lacks proper access. And electrical upgrades becomes difficult. These systems were not even planned for future maintenance. These are problems most people don't see during property inspection. The problems eventually become the owners to deal with. This is why good engineering thinks beyond construction. It thinks about ownership. It takes the future homeowner into consideration. Take water tanks, for example. In many buildings, tanks are installed in places that become very difficult to access. Cleaning, repairs, and inspections become very complicated, expensive, and unsafe. Many people see beautiful bathrooms and finished walls, but behind these walls are pipes that may need future servicing and replacement. This is why organized piping layout and duct access systems become very important. Because when maintenance eventually becomes very necessary, the building should work with you and not against you. At the Vixion IV Residence, ladder access was intentionally provided to each water tank on the roof because maintenance was considered from the beginning, not after problems occur. The same thinking applies to the drainage systems, air conditioner drainages, roof drainages, and even the drainages that take away water from the floor after a heavy rainfall in the compound. Good buildings are not only designed to look beautiful on the day they are being handed over, they are also designed to function efficiently 20 years, 10 years, or even 50 years later. And this is the philosophy of the Vixion IV Residence. The objective is not to simply create luxury spaces. It is to create a building that remains practical to own. For roof tank maintenance, we've incorporated taps for cleaning. For wiring, we've made provisions for every equipment. Do you need CCTV cameras? There's already wiring for that. The Vixion IV Residence is the difference between a building that was simply completed and a building that was truly designed for legacy. This is a NesVixion standard.